Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add percentage in pie chart in Excel. Make sure adding percentage to a pie chart in Excel converts your raw numbers into easy to read proportionals instantly. So in the first method you need to select your chart by clicking inside your pie chart, and now click the green plus icon that appears at the top right corner of the chart border, and then hover your data labels and check the box next to it, and now click the small arrow next to the data labels and select the more options at the bottom of the flyout menu. Now the format data labels pane will open up on the right side of your Excel window. So under the label options tab, you need to check the box for the percentage, and here you can see that percentage is appeared. If you want to uncheck the value, then the value will be removed and only percentage will be appear. If you want to add category along that, you just need to click on that, and the month is also included with the percentage. So if you want to position the label, you can make it center, you can inside edge, you can outside end, and click the best fit for the pie chart. Moreover, Excel has pre-made visual layout that automatically calculate and display percentage with a single click. For this you need to select the pie chart and then look at the top ribbon menu and click on the chart design tab, and on the far left side click the quick layout, and now over the options and choose the layout that shows percentage signs like this one. Moreover, there is another right click the slice method. For this you need to select the pie chart and then again click to select the particular slice, and now right click directly on any of the colored slide in your pie chart which you have selected it, and now click on the add data labels and click on this arrow and click on the add data callout, and this particular slice percentage has been appeared. And if you select all the slices, right click, go to the add data label, click on this arrow and click on this add data callouts, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add percentage in pie chart in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.